All right, we're gonna do that FoldAR again. We're gonna move it some clicks over to the left. So if you can see, the indicator arrow right there is pointing to the right, goes to the right. So we're gonna move it left, the opposite direction. I'm gonna do 10 clicks. I'm just gonna shoot it at 50. Clicks are fairly positive. I don't know if how I like the exposed ring kind of thing, but we'll see it. We're gonna do 3 rounds of 50 this time. A little low right on that last shot. Overall, I feel pretty good. I'm gonna see if the elevation's gonna be good. I was shooting about 1 inch low at 25, so hopefully it's fairly close at 50. But I want a 100-yard zero, but I ain't got time for that today. And my target's staying down at 100 is knocked down, so we'll do what we can. Oh yeah, it's 1,